Well, it's Monday, December 26th, about 4:30. You guessed it, back on Trailer Projects. Got our box in to mount the radio there. Getting ready to do that. I'm gonna work on them tonight, try and get them buttoned up with the heat package put in, the new control box, thermostat's wired up there. Get that checked off the list. Rattle can Rick over here, been painting the exhaust and the bracket. So getting that checked off the list. It's coming together quickly. Well, while we got it apart, we're gonna go ahead and clean her up. She's a bit dirty. Top side view of the air conditioner. It's blowing off of there. So that's where the heater goes. This is a control box that allows us to control it with the thermostat, and that is heat kit ready, which plugs in here. This is the main harness, your 110 coming in. This is your thermostat terminal. Well, it's back together. Took a lot longer than expected. I'll explain in a minute. But that radiant tube heater there, I think I could get a sunburn up here. It puts off so much heat. Wow. So if you're ever wiring a thermostat for RV air conditioners, you gotta hook 12 volts to the RC jumper or it won't work. Took me an hour to realize that, but she works now. Doug's buttoning up the bottom plate there, and we will be good to go. She's working. Heat's on. Well, it's Thursday, December 28th. On the rear air conditioner, cleaning the fins, putting the heat kit on, new control, so we can control it by the thermostat. This one was dirtier than the front one was. Ari's got our Bryans. Doug's taking the elevator up. Yeah, we can check another thing off the list. Both of them got heat strips. Both of them are controlled by the thermostat. Just like I planned, race on the TV, broadcasting through the speakers. Heater cycling on and off. She's coming together. We just tied all the wire in up here. Got it all fastened so it's not flopping around. Won't see it anyway. Be covered by tires. And from down here you won't see it except right there, and who cares? Well, it's Thursday, January 4th. Hope you all had a happy new year. Me, Dave, and Doug are going to work out here in the trailer tonight. I think the plan is to get the tire racks hung. I think that's what we're doing. I'm not really sure. It's been a day at work for all of us. Stay tuned.
he was saying, George, get a 2-inch aluminum bar stock and weld it here, go all the way across on both racks, and then we could attach here, like you were saying, go back to here. We can catch this, and then catch every stud in between like they did.
Except you're catching at the top and bottom.
Yeah, that'll work too.
And then you can cover it.
And then we'll have to fur it out then. And then we can put a piece of 2-inch square tubing in between there and tie it together for just a little
Because there's a
bit.
stud between them two.
Yeah.
So I could catch that and then bolt it to the tubing, because we can get 2-inch aluminum square. I think there's some over there. There's a piece over there somewhere. I know there is. If not,
They got a new, where's that new metal shop at? Oh, where the hell did that go in at?
I'd go to Goodall.
No, there's a new one in town. Somewhere around here sells metal. I forgot where it was. I was going to ask you if you seen that.
I did not.
I seen it being advertised. Where's the hell's it at?
I'd go to Goodall. They're on Lebanon Avenue across from Hagee.
Right.
They're the cheapest around. Lickenbrock is sold out to another guy,
Right. No, this here's a
CDC
new
or
place. It's brand new.
I don't know where it's at, Dave.
Well, we thought there was plates like here and here, like there is on there, to mount them to at the top. There's not, so Doug and George are devising up game plan of how we can mount the top. Obviously the bottom will mount every stud that goes up. So while they're coming up with a plan there, I'm going to check something else off the list. I'm going to wire up and install our step lights. Taking the amber out, doing the red to match the cab. This is what they are. Got them from Super Bright LED. They were like 16 bucks. They had 2-footers, but I thought that'd be way too much light. So, gonna get the mountain. Well, step lights complete. Ought to be able to see to get in. That's it.
yeah, because if it's
Making spare tire mount.
so, it was like this. It don't really matter. I don't think it's whatever way we want to do it.
Yeah, because I mean, you can spin the tire to get it to line
fit.
up with that. I just don't know what's going to be stronger. I would say, I'm going to say probably up and down, because then you're going to be pulling against all of this unistrut. You know, it's going to be like this, pulling like this, and it's going to have to be bolted instead of going side to side.
Yeah,
I think up and down is probably going to be the stronger option there
I think so.
for that tank.
How can I square that up?
Well, we never used it. Bought it in October, just in case we didn't find an open trailer. And 2 weeks after Doug bought it, we found the enclosed trailer. It's sold. Guy's on his way from North Carolina right now to pick it up. It's a nice trailer. It's Saturday, January 6th. Tinkering. Cooper's just wanting to play fetch. He's got no quit in him. Trim's put back up. Doesn't even look like it was ever taken down except right there. Put a little caulk there, should be fine. Spare tire mount worked out good. We gotta undo it and paint it. Rattle Can Rick's gonna make an appearance. Still say we need to extend that arm, which wouldn't be that hard.
No.
We extend it 12, 16 inches from what it
I
is.
take it off right here
Yeah,
and there and take it over there. Because if it goes, look, so it'll just move this back
Yeah.
this way,
yeah,
which ain't gonna hurt a thing.
no.
It ain't gonna hurt a thing. What is that thing? Anyway.
So the tire racks are just hanging there, temporary for right now. We got some flat stock on the other side we're gonna weld to here and go all the way across the top to hit the studs up there, because they don't have the plates in there like these do, that these are mounted to. So a little different mounting, but it'll be good. Won't have to worry about them falling down on the car. That's going to do it for this video. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. We will catch you all later.